Hey folks, Rob here, and we got a new product on the table here that we're going to be looking at, and this is a new pistol light from Feyachi. They sent this out to the channel to try out, take a look at, see how it works. This is a pretty nice unit. I've looked at it, I took it apart, I charged it. So inside you got your charging cord, and this is a micro USB, it's not USB-C. And you have a couple Allen wrenches in here. You have your user's manual, and it's pretty standard FL series user manual. This is a flashlight laser combination, so we're going to be taking a look at this here in a minute. And this one's kind of got a unique feature, and we're going to look at it here. So you have the light itself, and of course you have a silica gel pack in there. But the light is a pretty nice looking light. It's aircraft grade aluminum. You have your adjustment screws here and here for your laser. It is Picatinny, and it's just got the one notch there. Got the single screw. So this is spring loaded, and this is aircraft aluminum. And you have on the back, you have your selector switch. Of course, now it would be mounted like this. So you have, and I'll demonstrate here. If you push it down, you have your flashlight. And so you have your flashlight and your laser there. You can't really see it because of the glare off light. But that's, if you button straight down, you have combination flashlight and laser. You turn it that way, and it's laser only. You turn it to the right, and then to the left, it's just flashlight. Okay. Now, if you go from your center position, which is off, to the up, you have strobe. And I don't see the strobe is just strobe. I don't see the laser on during the strobe function. So got a pretty nice strobe there. So, and it works from either side. Same here. It'd be opposite on this side. If you push up, it's constant on, and if you pull down, it's strobe. So it's the opposite there. So anyway, that's one of the features of it. It's got your 3-position switch and your off and on here, which toggles. Now, you know, this is USB-C charging, but it took me a minute to figure out, hey, how do you charge this thing? There's no USB-C ports on this unit. There's your laser in there. It's got a nice Cree LED bulb. But to charge your unit, this little screw here on the side is actually a button. And you push that, and this module comes out. So this contains your flashlight and your batteries, and you have your charging port right there on the bottom, which I thought was pretty nifty. And then inside the unit itself, it has its electronics. So there's your switch electronics, and everything's housed inside the unit. And it's simple as a push of this little button right there. And it's adjustable for tightness, so you could adjust it to where, you know, it wouldn't accidentally bump out. So, and to put it back in, you simply locate your little notch on the top, which actually goes down, and it clicks right in there, and there you go. So to charge it, you just pop your unit out. It does have it's got a rubber O-ring there, so that should seal it up. It should make it fairly watertight. But anyway, that's kind of a look at it. Now, I'm going to mount it on this T-Sauce PX9 Gen 3, the old T-Sauce. And I think this will be a perfect light for this gun. This is kind of a full-size gun, and this is a bigger light. So I'm not going to show it on YouTube how to mount the light. God forbid I show anybody how to mount a light on a handgun, but we're not going to show that. I'm going to pause you a minute. We'll come back and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, So there we are, mounted on the TSOS TX9. And it's really easy to reach the controls with your trigger finger. Flip it down, solid light. Flip it up, you got your strobe. You got your button down here. It's not so accessible, but your control off and on is. There's light and laser, and then laser only. Where's our laser? Oh, I got to turn it on first. Light, laser. There's just our laser. So pretty bright laser. Pretty nicely made flashlight. Now we're going to take this out and do some shooting with it. Probably when I get off next week. This is my midday of hell week, so this is my only day off this rotation. So, or tomorrow is. So we may take it out tomorrow. During the daylight, we'll just turn the light on and test it for function. Make sure that it can stand up to the recoil and we don't have any problems with it. And we'll try it further in a shooting situation where I don't want to shoot here at my house at dark. So we'll do it in the daylight, pretend it's dark. It's hard to film in the dark anyway. So, but we can look at it, what it looks like inside a building. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at it. All right, folks, we got our lights off in the building. So first thing we're going to do is laser only. You can see that laser clearly over there. Projects a nice laser. Of course, it's refracting off that silver. But there's the laser only. And we'll flip it off. Now we have a combination light and laser. So there. See your laser lighting up over there? I can see it plainly, probably better than you can. And so that's with our light and laser. And then we'll go just the light. The laser's off now. And then we'll go into strobe mode. That is definitely a strobe. So anyway, that's kind of what it does. This would be inside a room. That's probably I'm going to say about 21 feet from me to that corner where the doll's sitting on the fridge. I got to clean my building now. So anyway, let me pause you and we'll finish this video up. Okay guys, there's a look at the feyachi FL series. This one has the red laser. They also make it in the green laser. I would prefer the green laser. But this is what they sent me, so this is what we're going to try out. Like I said, next time you see this gun, we're going to be shooting it with this flashlight turned on. And we're going to see if we have any issues with recoil or any problems like that out of it. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll get to that video at a little later time. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. And until the next video, we'll see you guys later.